Hello everyone, welcome to this new tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to integrate the Bold BI MCP server into Visual Studio Code, connect it, and ask questions directly within your IDE or AI workspace to get answers. Before implementing the MCP server, make sure Visual Studio Code and an AI agent are installed on your machine. Let's look at the manual installation steps. I open Visual Studio Code and go to the chat section. I click Settings to open agent customizations. There is no server created under MCP servers, so I add a new server. Select HTTP. Add the URL of the MCP server and enter. Then I rename the server ID and save it. I verify that the server is running successfully. In the prompt panel, I enter a query starting with the server name. How do I create a dashboard in Bold BI? And click Allow in this session. You can see the dashboard creation steps fetched from the documentation and displayed. Next, I enter the query, Show Column Chart Widget Configuration Steps. Additionally, I enter the queries, how do I configure an SQL data source in Bold BI? And how do I embed dashboards using the Bold BI REST API? As you can see, the details are instantly retrieved from the Bold BI documentation. If you face any issues during the process, please refer to this solutions table. The documentation link is included in this video's description. If you want the GitHub Copilot or a VS Code agent to pull Bold BI documentation directly inside your editor, the fastest way to set it up is by integrating the Bold BI MCP server into your development environment. The Bold BI MCP server acts as a bridge between your AI assistant and Bold BI documentation resources. Most IDE and MCP-compatible AI assistants are supported. The assistant can surface relevant Bold BI documentation and implementation references, assist with embedding, configuration, and integration-related questions, provide troubleshooting guidance for common setup and connectivity issues, improve developer productivity inside MCP-compatible IDEs and AI tools. In this video, I have shown you how to integrate the Bold BI MCP server in VS Code to enable an AI assistant to pull Bold BI documentation directly into your development workflow. To learn more about Bold BI, visit boldbi.com. If you don't already have a subscription, you can start with a 30-day free trial. If you prefer a personalized walkthrough, click on Request Demo to schedule a session with one of our experts. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like it and subscribe for more practical guides like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.